Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import the font here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To import custom fonts into Canva, you'll need a Canva Pro account or be part of a Canva team with the necessary permissions. All right. Since I am working with a team that has a Canva Pro subscription, so I'm able to do that here. Okay. I have an access to that feature. Now, here, hover down to the brand section on the left side panel of your dashboard. If you click on it, there's going to be an option that says brand kits, brand templates, and brand controls. If you click on the brand kits and brand templates right here, or on brand controls, you see you have the option for the font control. Okay. Now after that, I'm going to switch really quick on the font size right here. You see, you can create a title for a specific font right here. All right. A subtitle if you want. You can also edit that here for the importing of that. Now, on the font side, on font styles, you can add a new font. You see, you can add a text style right here. Subtitle, heading, subheading, section header, body, quote, and caption. All right, so these are some of your options. You also have an option to upload a font. And what will happen, it would ask you to upload the fonts right here. Now, I'm going to send you a different website for you to upload a file or get a file or text file or a font, which is this site. It's called thefont.com. All right, so you can choose from any of these fonts. You can click on the all new fonts right here. For example, I'm going to be looking for this specific font, Spooky Market. Okay, so you have the option to, you see, it's going to be free for personal use. Click on download, and what will happen is, as you can see, I'm uploading the font that I have downloaded on thefonts.com. You might want to go to that specific website if you want to download custom fonts. And here, it has like a small pop-up window. All you're going to do is click on the yes, upload anyway. Just wait for it to load. All right, so the font has been uploaded. If you feel that this font is not of your liking or preferences, just click on the delete option here. All right, and as you can see, you're about to delete Spooky Market and click on permanently. All right, basically, that's how you import font here in Canva. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.